right? So this is both behind, this is left behind, this is right behind, this is both in front. Both behind, left behind, and ideally you would not have them hit and they would be stalling in a straight line with each other. If you want to get a head start on that, what I would focus on is, I'm going to start with your left hand, is this. And trying to get this so you're flat and flat and flat and flat, which I don't even know how well I'm doing with that. But if you want to cheat so that you can have a sense, you can turn on your computer in front of you and look at your computer and see what's happening and whether the ball is floating up or not behind you too much. I want to distinguish what you're doing right now because these are two different types of pendulums. A linear extension is a pendulum that is following in line. So this, where the ball head is following a line that's flat, right? Versus a long arm pendulum like this, versus this kind of pendulum where you're keeping the pivot point in the same place, which is I said two kinds, but I guess that's three different kinds of pendulums really. What I'm trying to do here is the one where you're keeping the pivot point in the same place, right? So this is behind me, this is in front of me, this is behind me, this is in front of me. And then you want to be doing it. Now the trick with this when you're practicing, I think, is to not look at it, because if you have to look at it, then when you put both hands together, one of them is going to be in trouble, right? Because you can't be looking at both of them at the same, well, I don't know, maybe you can. I can't look at both of them at the same time though. Yeah, being able to feel where it is as opposed to having to see where it is. I think that can be really helpful. I think one of the things that helps me with this one is, instead of having my hand up here and looking at it as the pendulum below my arm, I'm trying to come to flat so that it's in line with my arm. Right, does that distinction make sense? Right, this is flat in line with my arm. So it's much more like the thing that we did at the very beginning where we came up and out and in and out and up and out and in and out, although my up is not very up right now. I'm not getting it up very well.